What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about AgEagle, and ladies and gentlemen, they continue to compound it on. Information, positive information continues to flow in our direction. You got information coming this way. You got Micah Sense talking about stuff. You literally have Measure talking about stuff. It is absolutely incredible to see. I mean, the transparency that you're getting from Brandon Torres-Declet through social media is what we needed, ladies and gentlemen. This is just a very exciting time in the drone sector. It is super exciting just to be a part of what is going on in this movement, and AgEagle is doing some amazing things. It's just tremendous to keep track of. I'm excited to talk about it because we do have a ton of information to talk about in this video. So if you're interested in AgEagle, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we dive in and start talking about AgEagle, we start talking about some updated information with the hemp overview with the state of Florida, and we also talk about the Russell 3000 index. I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into this video. I'm feeling good. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, this is just an exciting time to really be a part of what drones are going to be providing. We're seeing it start to develop. We're seeing the evolution start to come to fruition. I mean, this is happening before our eyes. And honestly, I've said that so many times in a video, but it's like the next time I go to make a video, there is even that much more. This is so exciting. And really, honestly, if you're just interested in technology and the advancements that we're going to see from package delivery to really just farming, agriculture, I mean, you're talking medicines, you're talking the actual delivery of medicines, pharmaceuticals, I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And drones are spearheading that. It's just absolutely amazing to see. And this is, again, I'm going to say it again, a tremendous time to really just be tracking and seeing what is going on. We're seeing some major developments. We're starting to see the FAA get some rumblings. This is very interesting to see what is going on, and AgEagle is definitely one of those companies that is spearheading it. They obviously have an amazing CEO in Brandon Torres-Declet, and it's exciting to see that they carried over some of the stuff from the old regime into the new one. And what I mean by that is this exactly. So AgEagle Aerial System expands its hemp overview licensing agreement with the state of Florida. Florida's Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services upgrades to full hemp overview suite of capabilities. AgEagle to provide custom registration platform for more than 500 endangered and commercially exploited plants in Florida. As we are all aware, an industry-leading drone solutions provider, AgEagle, today announced the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services, FDACS, has expanded its licensing of AgEagle's Hemp Overview Software as a Service, which we also know as SaaS, platform providing access to the platform's full suite of technology-enabled capabilities. In November 2019, FDACS originally licensed Hemp Overview's registration module to manage its online application submission and registration process for hemp growers and their farms and hemp fields for the 2020, 2021, and 2022 planting seasons. The recent licensing expansion allows FDACS to leverage the full capabilities and power of Hemp Overview software platform, which includes 4 comprehensive modules: registration, real-time best management practices, oversight and enforcement, and reporting, of course. Included among a broad range of advanced features and enhanced functionality, FDACS will engage Hemp Overview for, and this is pretty unique QR code generation on licensees and certificates of analysis, increased automated reporting solutions, customer service representative available for customer response and help with online service. I think that's significant. In-map note-taking and geolocated document uploading capabilities, which is very cool, and auto-generated hemp crop destruction orders based on THC testing results. Absolutely incredible information right there, and really a cool thing to see what is being provided. Holly Bell, director of cannabis at FDACS, stated within the next few years, hemp farming in Florida is expected to represent approximately half the size of the state's citrus industry. Growth that is largely being driven by commercially demand for hemp-derived cannabidiol, CBD, with well over 11,000 licensed acres of hemp cultivation registered to date in our state. AgEagle's hemp overview technology has proven to be instrumental in allowing our department to electronically process registrations with great ease and efficiency. Consequently, we are very excited to be expanding our use of hemp overview to streamline and automate all of the complexities associated with effectively scaling end-to-end oversight and compliance of Florida's basically hemp industry. I'm super excited. I think that this is just going to be an easy demonstration and really show the capabilities of what AgEagle can do, and it's only going to translate into more states who are climbing on board. I think Florida is going to really kind of have this ironed out, where AgEagle is going to be aware of what is going on. Yes, there probably could be some bumps in the road at times, but it's all going to be ironed out. So when it does go to translate to another state, this is going to be easy. We know that Iowa is lurking there because they obviously did the same thing with obviously AgEagle. It just may not be to this full extent, but they're right there, and this could be another opportunity for AgEagle again to capitalize. FDACS has also tasked AgEagle with developing a custom registration. Now, this is very new software platform to enhance communications, licensing, and general compliance relating to the oversight and protection of more than 500 endangered and commercially exploited wild plants native to Florida. For instance, in an effort to curb exploitation of saw palmetto, I believe is how you pronounce it, a plant whose extract is used in herbal supplements, often marketed for its urinary tract and prostate health benefits, FDACS requires harvesters and sellers of saw palmetto berries to obtain a native plant harvesting permit. According to the related FDACS notice, widespread gathering of these berries is depleting a wildlife food source and threatening the stability of some ecosystems. So, very interesting right there. Steve Turetsky, Director of Agriculture Solutions at AgEagle, noted, "We take great pride in technological innovations that AgEagle continues to pioneer in support of state and territorial departments of agriculture. The expansion of our relationship with the state of Florida is a testament to the positive impact of our proprietary software solution and numerous productivity and economic benefits we are providing, proving we can deliver." That's exciting news. That truly is exciting news. We're starting to see, this really kind of be taken out of the box, if that makes sense. And we're starting to see this company grow in many different ways. I'm super excited about it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when this news broke that I'm about to talk about, it was just as significant, if not more significant, just because more and more people are going to be able to visually see and be a part of what AgEagle is doing. So AgEagle Aerial Systems set to join the Russell 3000 Index. And as you guys are going to see in this article, it has already happened, but this is exciting news. So yet again, AgEagle, an industry-leading drone solutions provider, today announced that it expects to join the broad market Russell 3000 Index. At the conclusion of the 2021 Russell Index's annual reconstitution, effective after the U.S. market close on June 25th, which was the other day, according to the most recent preliminary list of additions post June 18, 2021 by the FTSE Russell. Brandon Torres Declet, Chief Executive Officer, and I'm glad he wears that title, of AgEagle, stated, "We are very pleased with the prospect of being added to the Russell 3000 Index, which will make an exciting milestone for our company, one that should help raise greater awareness of AgEagle in the institutional investment community." Could not agree more with that statement, sir. I mean, that is on point. Annual Russell Index's reconstitution captures the 4,000 largest U.S. stocks as of May 7, 2021, ranking them by total market capitalization. Membership in the U.S. all-cap Russell 3000 Index, which remains in place for 1 year, means automatic inclusion in the large-cap Russell 1000 Index or small cap Russell 2000 index, as well as the appropriate growth and value style indexes. Ladies and gentlemen, that is significant right there. FTSE Russell determines memberships for its Russell indexes primarily by objective, market capitalization rankings, and style attributes. Russell indexes are widely used by investment managers and institutional investors for index funds and as benchmarks for active investment strategies. Approximately, this is a big number, 10.6 trillion in assets are benchmarked against Russell's U.S. indexes. Russell's index are part of the FTSE Russell, a leading global index provider. I think that is massive, ladies and gentlemen. I think you're going to continue to see this be a major piece when it comes to AgEagle. Obviously, it says that they have to be there for a year, and so that is a significant piece. You're going to start to see all different kinds of institutional investors come in. This is going to be an exciting time, especially as more and more drone-related topics become very positive. We start to see more of this sector develop and evolve, and we're going to start to see a lot more happen with AgEagle. Beyond excited again, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on AgEagle. It means a ton, ladies and gentlemen. I'm super excited for the company. I'm excited for the investors. I'm excited for everything revolving around this sector. I just think this is an opportune time to just see and be a part of drones. I just do. I think this is incredible, and you're going to start to see really a lot of information come out and about, and we're going to be excited as just fans of the sector. That's what's incredible. I appreciate you swinging by. I truly, truly do. It means a ton. They're just smashing that subscribe button, smashing that like button. The comments that pour in down below is incredible. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain, and you guys do know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, let me work it out. I'm going to keep the content rolling. Smash that subscribe button. Enjoy the videos. And as always, have a good day.